good morning to everyone. So Truk will be presenting about artificial intelligence in digital marketing and advertising. So we will introduce ourselves. My name is Vishnu.
My name is Jitana Marimaran.
I'm Shweta.
I'm Deepika. I'm Dinesh.
And Shweta Reddy will start the presentation.
Okay, so our first article about digital marketing. Okay, so our first article is titled as Issues of Artificial Intelligence Application in Digital Marketing by Welev and Lativa 2023. So this article discusses how AI is transforming the digital marketing. So the author explains that AI helps business to analyze customer data, personalize marketing, predict consumer behavior, and improve customer service through tools like chatbots. However, the article also highlights that there are several issues in using AI, such as data privacy concern, algorithm bias, lack of transparency, and some regulatory issues. The author concludes that using AI can help marketing greatly, but then the organization must use it very responsibly.
Now we are going to look at issues of AI application in digital marketing. First, lack of skilled workforce. Many organizations do not have employees with both AI and marketing knowledge. As a result, companies face difficulties implementing AI marketing systems effectively. Second, integration challenges with existing systems. Companies often struggle to connect AI platform with their current CRM, which is customer relationship management systems, and marketing tools. This can increase cost and reduce effectively.
So I am representing the author recommendation from Article 1 by Welev and Lativa. The first is improve personalization using customer data. So the business should use the AI-driven analysis to better understand the customer preferences and behavior pattern to deliver the personalization content, targeted promotion, and improve the customer experience. The second is address the privacy and ethical concern. So the business need to ensure the fairness, ethical practice, and also the ethical standard when using and collecting the customer data. The third is enhancing the decision making through predictive analytics. So business should apply the machine learning and predictive analytics to make a better strategic marketing decision. The fourth one is invest in AI skills and technology. So business should invest in AI advanced system and provide training to maximize the benefit of AI adaptation and improve the organization capabilities. So now we move on to the following slide.
Okay, next for the student recommendation, the first article from the recommendation, I will giving train employees to use the AI. As we all know, AI is a very powerful tool. So, but sometimes we also need to give employees like training to make sure that they didn't misuse the AI tool. The second is be transparent about the customer privacy. Companies should clearly inform customers about how they are using their privacy. For example, when we go into the shopping mall, of course they will ask us to do a membership. So we using our email address or phone number to apply it. So of course we are giving our email address, so they should tell us why they are asking for our email address like that. And the third one is to not really on AI and combine with human review. For example, companies should not only specific on the AI and for example, company make an advertisement, human also need to be review the advertisement to make sure that there's not any complicated or any sensitive issues happen.
Okay, so the next article will be about advertising. Okay, so this article is titled as Artificial Intelligence in Advertising. So this article examines how AI is transforming the advertisement industry. The authors reviewed existing studies and actually identified there are 4 key areas in AI application, which are targeting, personalization, content creation, and ad optimization. So So these findings shows us that AI helps to reach the right audience, create personalized apps, generate content, creative content, and improve advertising performance and ROI. However, this study also highlights that there are several challenges identified, which are algorithm bias, data privacy concern, and lack of transparency. So this author concludes that AI has great potential to improve advertising, but it must be used ethically.
Artificial intelligence in advertising 2023. First, ethical risk and algorithmic bias. If AI is trained using biased data, it may unfairly target or exclude certain customer groups. This can create discrimination issues and harm a company's reputation. Second, transparency and black box decision making. AI systems often make advertising decisions that are difficult to understand. This reduces transparency and make it harder for marketers to explain why specific ads are shown to certain users.
So next is the author recommendation from Article 2. So these are the authors. So the first recommendation is use AI for precise targeting and personalization. So the advertisers should use AI for more accurate targeting audience and personalization advertising experience. The second one, apply generative AI for content creation. So the business can leverage the generative AI and also natural language processing to create the engaging advertising content. The third one, optimize advertising performance with AI. So the business should employ the AI-based advertising optimization technique to improve the campaign performance and return on the investment. The fourth is ensure the ethical and transparency data usage. So the organization should address the challenges related to the data quality, privacy, and ethical use of AI. The last one is reduce bias and strengthen the privacy protection. So the future AI advertising research should focus on reducing the bias, algorithmic privacy protection, and also ethical guidance.
Last but not least, second, student recommendation. For the Article 2, recommendation is customer can control the ads they want to see. For example, this allows the customer to control the advertisement they want to see. For example, like sometimes some consumer doesn't like to want to see the sport ads, so they can be controlled to see the education. And the second one is create ethical rules for the AI advertisement. This because can help AI more advertisement to be fair and responsibility. For example, a company set a rule that AI can control ads that discriminated against people. For example, they cannot say that only women can work in this company, only a beautician can work in this company. They cannot include that. And the last one is the expansion of the ad button. Users can click a button on the ad to know why they are seeing it. For example, if you see ads for sports shoes, it may say you see the ads because you search for shoes, and this will help users to understand and AI understand.
So the future of marketing belongs to those who use AI intelligently and so those who use AI intelligently and ethically. So as you can see, to summarize both article and the key takeaway is AI does help companies to market to the people the content they wanted and the perfect content, the perfect product that the customer needs based on the customer data. So they can create the content faster and relevant ads to the customer and get the money, get a profit faster and more than the initial amount they are used to doing. But the catch is AI can be biased, which is unfair to some of the groups, and it also breach the privacy concern of the customers. Since they are using the customers' data, it can be used for other things also. So it's breach the privacy of the consumer. To balance it, marketers need to not just blindly rely on AI. They also need human touch to make a judgment which is fair and ethically correct. That's all from us. Thank you.
Alright, thank you for the comments. Okay, I only have one question. Can you guys go to the slide Article 2, issue discussed? Article 2, issue discussed. Yes. Okay. On the second box, okay, you see the black box, right? Transparency and black box decision making. Can you explain a bit about the black box? What the meanings of the transparency and black box decision making?
Oh, issue is good. It's good.
5 minutes. So, black box AI, which is it's like how to tell. For real life example, YouTube keep recommending you videos and the things you wanted. So if like you will wonder how does the YouTube know what you want to watch and what are you thinking to listening to. So these are the things. The thing wait. Oh, okay. So let me explain again. So AI box is a thing that AI does. Even the person who created it or the AI that itself doesn't understand what to it does that. For simply the things that being advertised in the YouTube or all the things, it's just do its works, but then we don't know why does the advertisement show up. Like we watching a video in YouTube or anything, the ad does show up in the last minute or in between when we are watching. But then the thing is, we don't know why it show up, and the thing is, even AI doesn't know why it show up, but then it just does its work, which is means to simplify is black box is equal to AI does work, but then can't explain why it does it, something like that.
Okay, can you simplify?
Madam, give me 5 minutes. Thing is, this one because sometimes AI decide that who should see an advertisement, but even the company also doesn't know why they are choosing that. For example, like if AI screening the resume, the HR doesn't know why they are screening the resume that the employee. So, as a human also review their the resumes to make sure that they are fair and need to be transparent about how AI use the customers' data.
Okay, acceptable lah. Alright, so thank you.